Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering on the Pixel and inserting the SIM. This gets cellular service immediately. Once done, plug in and charge to at least 50% so updates don't interrupt setup. Next, connect to a secure Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Google account. This links contacts, calendar, and Play Store. You're doing these steps up front so data transfer and system updates run smoothly. Make sure to accept network prompts and move to data migration once the account appears. You'll transfer content using the quick switch adapter or restore from your Google backup. Follow on screen prompts to move apps, photos, and messages. Once data is present, secure the device. Create a PIN or pattern and enroll fingerprint or face unlock so unlocking is fast and protected. After locking methods are set, install any system and app updates. These fix bugs and improve battery life. Finally, review app permissions to limit camera, mic, and location access. This reduces unnecessary background use and preserves privacy. You'll finish by customizing core settings so the Pixel behaves how you want. Set display preferences and enable adaptive brightness, then toggle dark theme to save battery. Next, configure gestures and do not disturb rules, and turn on battery saver thresholds to extend runtime. Enable Pixel features like call screen and recorder transcriptions for convenience, and confirm backups are active. If something fails, like no network or transfer stalls, reboot the phone and retry. A restart clears temporary issues and often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.